Okay, I am waiting for other students.
Okay, ma'am.
Let them join. We will begin our class. Okay.
Right. Ma'am, please start the class.
Yes. Start class. We will begin.
Ma'am, start the class.
Yes, we will begin just now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Why all students have not joined the class? Listen, students. Now listen. Good afternoon. Daily you have to join the class. Okay. If you will not attend the class, in the next class you will not able to understand the topic. Okay. Which topic we have to do? Subtraction. Okay. Now I am going to mute all of you. Okay. Today we will do exercise 4.6. 4.6. Can you see the sums on your screen? Visible? Okay. I'm going to unmute all of you. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. We will do this sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at this. Look at how will we solve this sum. Can we subtract 0 minus 4? No. We will borrow from next digit. 7. It will become 10. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. And 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, one more sum we will do of 4 digits. Ones, tens, thousand, sorry, ones, tens, 100,000 I have written. We will do 4 digits. Okay. Now, 0 minus 8. We can't do. Next digit is also 0. Next is also 0. What will we do? We will borrow from 3. It will become 2. Here 10. No. Here is 0. We will give right here 9. And it will become 10. Now again we have to 0 has to borrow. We will write here 9. And 10 will borrow from the next number 10. Now we will solve. 10 minus 8, 2. Okay. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 2, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. What is the correct answer? 722. What is the correct answer? 722. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will do next sum. Last sum, third sum. No, again, same type of sum. 8. It will become 10. 9. 10. Again, it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 2, sorry, 8 minus 6, 2. Have you understood? I am going to unmute all of you. Have you understood? Speak loudly.
अगर सिर्फ दो बजे रेडी अज
Yes ma'am or no ma'am?
फोन करा दी मैं कि कर अज कदी है नहीं कोई लब्बा दा चलाने वाला
समझ आया आपको?
क्या कहदा मुझे ते फिर हम मैडम ने कर ला फोन मैडम ने पूछी ना
Yes ma'am.
कल आई है कल लगाई होनी फिर कल
बेटा
लगा
किसी के आवाज पीछे से आ रही है वो तो
क्यों मैडम ये गल है वो भी साइड बना आखे दा वो ना बात आखे गया नहीं पूछ ला तो मैडम ने फोन करिए
हमने एक्सरसाइज 4.6 की है, समझ आई आपको?
राखी
समझ आई आपको? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
बनाई नहीं दोनों दी
Aradhya, what's your question? No, I am going to mute all of you again. Aradhya, what's your question?
हुई दिखनी है
Aradhya, what's your question?
I'm confusing in second sum.
Okay, okay, we will do again. We will do on the screen. Okay, I will write on the board. I will write on the board. I am going to mute all of you. 3,000. I will write 3,000. You will also write in your notebook. I will do again this sum. $3,000 minus 2,278. ओके बेटा देखो 10 में से 8 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो हम क्या करेंगे आगे, फिर नेक्स्ट टेंस में 0 है, फिर हंड्रेड्स में 0 है और 1000 में 0 है। हम थाउजेंड को 1000 में से लेंगे और यहाँ रह जाएगा 2, वी विल राइट 2। ओके, अब हमारे पास आ गया इधर 10, 0 को हम काटेंगे, हमारे पास आ गया 10, फिर हम 0 को काटेंगे, हमारे पास फिर हमने अब नेक्स्ट डिजिट को दिया 10, 0 को काटेंगे हम, हाँ अब हमारे पास रह गया यहाँ पे 9, 9। अब जो टेंस प्लेस है, टेंस प्लेस को भी हम 1 देंगे तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 10 आएगा। आई विल राइट 10। ओके, अब हम 10 को टेंस में से 1 हम 1 डिजिट दे देंगे उधर वंस को, तो यहाँ पे क्या रह जाएगा 9। कितना रह गया हमारे पास 9, 9। तो हमारे पास यहाँ क्या आ गया, वंस पे क्या आ गया 10, वंस पे हमारे पास क्या आ गया, वंस पे हमारे पास क्या आ गया 10। अब करेंगे, हाँ वंस पे आ गया 10, 10 minus 8, now we will solve the sum, 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 7 2, again 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 7, and 2 minus 2 0. What is the answer? 722. Okay, now I am going to unmute.
अभी
समझ आ गया?
थे।
Okay. Now we will do exercise 4.8. Open your book. Look at your book. 4.8. We will do word problem. 4.7 we have already done. First question is, Sham had collection of 2,764 stamps. He gave away 1,402 stamps. How many stamps were left? सोहम के पास कितनी stamps हैं? 2,764. Now we will learn how to write the statement. Okay. First line we will write. Soham has number of stamps Soham had. Stamps. I have written short in short number. Stamps. Soham had 2,764. Now next line is he gave away. Stamps. उसने कितनी stamps दे दी? 1,402. We will in next line we will write he gave away. He gave away stamps 1,402. Number of stamps he gave away 1,402. Now, third line is there. How many stamps were left? We will write number of stamps left with him. Number of stamps left with him. We will minus these figures. Everybody will do in your notebook. Minus these two figures and write answers. I will ask you. Left with him. Right answers. You will solve this sum yourself. Very good. Vyushti, Aradhya, Nipur, Ashwik, Ahana. Well done. 1,362 stamps. Myra, you have not written? Come on, come on. Divita, very good. Riddhima, Ahana. Good. Well done. Well done. What is the answer? 1,362 stamps. We will write down. Answer. Answer. Myra, good. Ojasvi, good. 1,362 stamps. Okay. Now, we will do second sum. A runner has to run 1,275 steps in a marathon. He has finished 1,145 steps. How many steps are left? How will we write? We will write number of steps a runner has to run. I am teaching how you have to take one line and write the statement. Number of steps a runner has to run is equal to 1,275. Second, number of steps he finished is equal to number of steps he finished is equal to 1,145. And last line, numbers of steps left. Now everybody will do this, all this. Very good. So many girls have done. Well done. Good. Ganya, Aradhya, Nipur, Anhita. Well done. How much steps left? Those have not written. Done. They will do just now. Very good. Pratna, good. What is the correct answer? So many girls have written. Nishika, Rehana, Ahana, Yashika, Pratna. Well done. Well done, students. 130 steps. What is the answer? 130 steps. 130 steps. Good, Myra, Ridhima, Divita. One girl has written wrong. 140. Who has written 140? Name is not there. Do correction. Our phone number, phone is coming here. Oppo. Oppo A31. Answer is wrong. I don't know which child is this who has written 140. Okay. Now I am going to unmute all of you. Are you enjoying? Students, children, are you enjoying? Mimansha, Mimansha, any question? Mimansha, do you want to ask anything? Yes. Mimansha? Okay, okay, she's not saying anything. Now, we will do question number 3. You will do your, I will send you the solution of this sum. Now, we will do question number 5. Read from your book. There are 2,865 red and green beads in a box. The number of red beads was 1,567. How many beads were green? How will we write the statement? Okay. We will write. What is the first line? We will see from the book. Number of red and green beads. Solution, how we have to write? Ashwika, are you not listening to me? Okay. Number of red and green beads is equal to red and green beads. Daksha, I will unmute later on. Unmute you later on. Number of red and green beads is equal to 2,865. Number of red beads is equal to 1,567. Number of red beads is equal to 1,567. Okay. Now we have to find out green beads. Red beads, we know number of red beads. We have to find out green beads. We will write number of green beads. Number of green beads is equal to, we will minus. Well done, girls. Anhita. Faiza, your answer is wrong. Nipur, good. Daksha, good. Anhita, good. Divita, good. Nishika. Hurry up, right? 1,298 green beads. How many beads? 1,298 beads. What is the correct answer? Okay. 1,298 beads. Okay. Next question. We will do question number 6. Get ready for question number 6. Read statement. 3,983 students study at New Modern Era School. New Modern Era School में 3,983 students are studying, and 2,695 at St. John School. How many more students study at New Modern Era School? न्यू मॉडर्न एरा स्कूल में स्टूडेंट्स ज्यादा हैं, तो हमें बताना है कि वो कितने ज्यादा हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स in New Modern Era School 3,983. 3,983. Next, how many students are in St. John School? Number of students in St. John School. St. John School 2,695. St. John School is equal to 2,695. Modern Era School 3,983. 3,983. Now we have to find how many students are more in New Modern School. We will write number of more students in New Modern Era School. Number of more students in New Modern Era School is equal to, we have to minus this sum, Nipur, previous question answer you have written wrong. Just see. It is 1,298. पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर था 1,298. Some girls have written 2,088. 88 is wrong. You will do correction. Hurry up. Right answer of 6th question. Manyata has done correct. 1,288. Manyata, your answer is right. Many girls have done wrong. Nipur isn't good. Ahana, good. Ahana, which answer are you writing? Its correct answer is yes. Ifat right, isn't right. Radhya has not written. Ahana, your answer is wrong. Ahana, do correction. Vidushi right. Adhira, good. Ananya Sharma, good. Isn't good. Ahana, good. Adhira, good. Oh, next. Aradhya Rajan, good. Vanya, your answer is wrong. Vanya Sani, answer is wrong. Do correction. Okay. Now I am going to unmute all of you. Okay. बेटा समझ आ रहा है आपको? बेटा समझ आ रहा है आपको? अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा, यू कैन आस्क मी, यू कैन आस्क मी। आ गया समझ? दक्षा, वेयर इज दक्षा? दक्षा, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क? दक्षा, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन? यस बेटा, आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी क्लियर। दक्षा, अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करो बेटा। मैंने अनम्यूट किया, आपका अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करो। बेटा दक्षा, अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करो जरा। बेटा आप फिर मुझे मैसेज कर देना, यहाँ पे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। ओके, हाँ, ओपन ओपन, से समथिंग। दक्षा, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क? दक्षा बेटा बोलो। दक्षा,
मैम आपने जो टेस्ट कराई,
हाँ जी,
उसमें जो स्टूडेंट वाला क्वेश्चन था वो समझ नहीं आया।
कौन सा क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया? स्टूडेंट्स वाला 6th?
यस मैम 6।
अच्छा, अभी मैं बोलूंगी। दो स्कूल हैं, एक न्यू मॉडर्न एरा स्कूल है, एक है सेंट जॉन स्कूल। हमने उन दोनों स्कूलों में बच्चों के बारे में लिखना है और हमें बताना है न्यू मॉडर्न एरा स्कूल में कितने ज्यादा बच्चे हैं। न्यू सेंट जॉन से कितने ज्यादा बच्चे हैं? 1288। माइनस करके हमें पता चलेगा उस स्कूल में कितने ज्यादा बच्चे हैं सेंट जॉन स्कूल से। समझ आई? समझ आ गई?
यस मैम।
हमने ये माइनस करेंगे तो हमें सेंट जॉन से कितने ज्यादा बच्चे हैं न्यू मॉडर्न एरा स्कूल में। एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके, वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। We will do question number 9. Today, after that, this class you have Hindi class also. Okay. Read question from your book. A gardener planted 3006 saplings in a park. Heavy rains damaged 1769 saplings. How many saplings were saved? अच्छा, कितने प्लांट्स लगाए गए हैं? We will write first line. Number of saplings were planted. Number of saplings were planted is equal to 3006. Planted is equal to 3006. Damaged mean खराब हो गए कितने? Number of saplings were damaged. कितने खराब हो गए? डैमेज हो गए? Number of saplings were damaged or damaged is equal to 769. और कितने हमारे पास सैपलिंग बच गए? Number of saplings were saved. Number of saplings were saved. So minus these figures, number of saplings were saved is equal to we will minus these figures. Hurry up. Yes, good. Isn't right? Nipur, Anhita, Ahana, Ganya, 1237 saplings. How many saplings were saved? 1237. Okay. Ashwik, what is your question? Ashwik? Yes. Yes, beta.
मैम पहले जो एक्सरसाइज कर टाइम मैंने की थी ज्वाइन।
हाँ
उसे मुझे बताओगे कि कौन सी एक्सरसाइज की?
हमने एक्सरसाइज बेटा 4.8 की है।
मैम उसके
हाँ बेटा समझ नहीं आ रही आप
बारे में।
बेटा, आप मुझे ना मैसेज करना, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही आपकी। ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा। मान्यता, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन? बेटा थोड़ा ना
एक्सक्यूज मी
जोर से बोलो। हाँ
मैम,
यस
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
यस।
मैम जो आपने मेरे को स्टूडेंट्स वाला करवाया वो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
कौन सा समझ नहीं आया? स्टूडेंट्स वाला?
यस मैम।
कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? कौन सा क्वेश्चन था स्टूडेंट्स वाला?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9
नाइन्थ स्टूडेंट वाला थोड़ा था, नाइन्थ तो सेपलिंग वाला था।
हाँ मैम वो वाला सैपलिंग्स वाला।
सेपलिंग में क्या है, मैं अभी बोल के समझा रही हूँ आपको कि हम एक गार्डनर ने 3006 सेपलिंग लगाए। ये देखो व्हाइट बोर्ड पे देखो। और डैमेज कितने खराब हो गए और कितने बच गए, और माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा। ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
ओके। हमने माइनस किया तो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 1237। ओके कात्यानी, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन? कात्यानी, Katyani, where is Katyani? Okay. If you will have any problem, we will solve that problem in next class. समझ आ गई बेटा? I am going to unmute all of you. आप लिख के रखेंगे, वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में सॉल्व करेंगे।